Remember when I was a kid? I love vlogging all the day, and I want to see you again. And this is me, 9 and I'm 9 now. When I was a kid, when I was vlogging, I was 6 or 5 there. But yeah, I want to show you the house that I was vlogging when I was a kid. But I'm in market right now, so because nagbabantay ako ng bahay, guys. So yes. And wait lang, guys. Pero hindi ko naman alam na baka hindi na naman ng fun. Pero guys, did you miss me or something like that? It's been 5 years or 1 year. I don't know. So bye, guys. See you again tomorrow or Sunday. And hope you like that. Bye.